everyone. Going to be a short video tonight. We're in Thursday's session, coming into the Asian session for Friday. You can see the pound has given us a resistance area up here. I broke out of an area that I was looking at last night. Unfortunately, my computer was unwilling to spit out this video, so I didn't manage to get it in time. There was a breakout area from this double top on the hourly bars here. Let's focus on the daily for a minute. You can see that the market is coming into a very wide resistance zone. Now I want you to understand that what this means is that the market's going to be moving up and down relatively quickly inside of this area. So if the market can manage to break to the upside, I'm expecting it to head up towards 99.50. What this means is we can let our profits run a little bit more. That's when you can open up some of your profit targets and keep more of the position on. Right now I'm looking for a counter trend trade, possibly at 98.45. Remember, it's where we look for the market to come up and then break to the downside. This is on the quick start video, as well as disc number 5. Also, if we do get a trend continuation, that means the market's going to be breaking to the upside. Wait and watch for the test. Remember, that's the flag or the pennant pattern coming back down to this level of 98.45 for the retest. If we focus over here on the 15-minute chart today, really good example of the resistance starting to play out here for a 3-bar reversal. Happened pretty early in the New York session. If you look down on the hourly bar, you can see that we had several hours of resistance. The market was unable to break through. It was a bit of a resistance area from the daily chart. If we look back over here, you can see several areas where the market had stalled out. This is where the 3-bar reversal comes into play. Wound up being a fairly good trade for New York, although was a bit tight. There we go. About 35, 36 pips. This is what I mean by it was a bit tight, meaning there was some profit potential there, and the risk was low. But you can see here, risking 32 to make 36. That's a little bit tight. Where it really started to shine was coming in here for the little dipper pattern. That's where the market comes into the resistance, comes back down, and then here's the retest. Oops, right here. So there's the little dipper pattern playing out over the 15-minute bar. Again, that was a tougher trade for today, one that most traders would have missed. You'd have to be pretty aggressive to get in on something like that, but those trades are really what we're going to have to settle for here in the New York session. The European session was a rocket ship ride. You can see right after the news announcement here, 3 o'clock in the morning, New York time, market just blew to the upside about 100 pips. Coming into Friday, also a vacation weekend for the U.S., so I'm going to be taking tomorrow off. We'll be getting everything back up and running on Tuesday. Hope everybody has a great weekend. God bless you, everyone.